Hi everyone, this is Sinan from GetInspected, and today we're taking a look at a check engine light that we just got. Yes, this car has 341,000 kilometers on it. It's a BMW, and it's an E46 330xi. It's a manual. It has what seems to be a misfire. So cylinder 4, cylinder 3, and cylinder 5. If we go into the live data, this is for BMW. We're gonna go to smooth running values, and we're gonna select all, and then we're gonna hit OK. And we see that cylinder 2 is a little bit high. Cylinder 4 is definitely high, continuously, constantly. Cylinder 5 seems to be okay. And cylinder 6 is on the low end as well. Now, what is high and what is low? This is just telling me the quality of the firing or the combustion inside of the cylinder. So I have a cylinder 2 and a cylinder 4, but cylinder 2 is nowhere close to cylinder 4. Cylinder 4 seems to be constantly high. Think of these as correction values, the amount that the computer needs to correct that cylinder. It could be a failing coils pack or something similar. Could be a spark, could be a leak in the cylinder. Yeah, it could be a lot of things, but it's just telling me that there is a problem with cylinder 4 and cylinder 2. I hope that this helps someone out there to diagnose some issues with their car. You don't need this specific machine to come up with these values. You can use any preloaded software of BMW. So if you have access to the BMW original software or a cracked version or whatever it is, as long as you can have access to the smooth running values. This is for BMW. This one is specific. I just want to show you. This was specific to this car. If I exit, it just shows you that we were in the BMW software. But in any case, if I was to use the Onboard Diagnostics, I might not be able to access it, but let's try, since we are here anyway. This is the generic Onboard Diagnostics, so it might actually have access to something similar to smooth running values. Let's see. Now, this car in specific is a 2005 model. Manufacturing date is September 2004. You can see the monitor is incomplete. There is one codes found are 4. Let's go into read codes, stored codes, misfire with low fuel. We don't have low fuel. I don't remember the last time this car ran on low fuel. Random multiple cylinder misfire detected. 5, 4. It doesn't even have cylinder 3 in this one. Pending codes. Misfire detected with low fuel and random cylinder misfire. These are pending. Now if I go into live data, it's a custom list. Let's see what's there. don't see it. So I don't think it'll be available, at least in this specific model. I don't think it's available in the Onboard Diagnostics software. So it would have to be BMW dedicated. In any case, I really hope that this helps someone out there. I'm gonna start by just swapping the coils and replacing spark plugs and take it from there. Thank you for watching.